Hello students, these slides will explain the team roles for our In Greek Tweets and Ancient Greeks research project. What are team roles? In order to complete this project, each member of your group must have a certain role. A role is like a job. The role you pick will decide what kind of work you do on the project. The following slides will explain the responsibilities for each role. There are 5 altogether. Each group can only have one of each role. Or to put another way, each student should have only one role and no roles should be duplicated. Our first role is the Chief Researcher role. The Chief Researcher gathers the factual information from online and text sources needed to make the content of the project historically accurate. Now, online resources can count as any factual information that you find online through a search. And text sources could include your textbook or other books you might be able to find at the library. This role would be a good opportunity for students who enjoy detail-oriented, analytical work. Our second role is the Digital Citizenship Monitor. The Digital Citizenship Monitor checks that all digital content generated by the group, as well as online interactions between their group and the other groups, are kind, respectful, and on topic. This role would be a good opportunity for students who enjoy tapping into their empathy and sensitivity skills. Now remember students, empathy means being able to understand and share the feelings of another. Our third role is the Videographer role. The videographer leads the group through developing and producing the video portion of the project. The videographer also works with the art director to make final creative and technical decisions regarding the video. This role would be a good opportunity for students who enjoy using technology in a creative way. Our fourth role is the art director role. The art director leads the group in developing and creating the poster portion of the project. The art director also works with the videographer to make final creative and technical decisions regarding the video. This role would be a good opportunity for students who enjoy arts and crafts and communicating in unique ways. Our fifth and final role for the project is head writer. The head writer crafts and submits writing for the project in the form of tweets, comments, and slogans. The head writer also checks off on text and script for the posters and the video. This role would be a good opportunity for students who enjoy expressing themselves through writing and synthesizing multiple ideas. Alright, now that we've gotten to see each team role, it is now time for you to pick your role. Have each group member spend 3 minutes picking their top 3 roles, or the 3 roles they would most like to have. Feel free to skip back further ahead in this video so that you can review each of the team roles again. Once you have chosen your top 3, then come together as a group and spend 5 minutes deciding who will take on each role. Try to give everyone a role in their top 3.